Hey everyone, welcome to Mace Drum Studio. And if you've never played drums before, you're in the right place. My name is Al and I've been playing professionally now since 1990, but today we're going to start from zero. These first few lessons are going to be for the complete beginner, so if you've already been playing for a little while, you'll be able to check out my later videos. All right, so let's get into it. What you're going to need to get yourself going is a pair of drumsticks. However, if you don't have a pair of drumsticks right away, you can just use your hands to learn the patterns, okay? But I'm going to suggest that if you're going to be playing the drums, you might want to get your drumsticks as soon as possible so that you can get used to actually having the feel of them in your hands. Next, you're going to need a surface to play on, whether it's going to be a drum or a practice pad, or you can use a book, perhaps a tabletop. Just make sure it's something that you don't mind getting damaged. I'm going to put a link down in the description if you're not sure what to get. So right off the bat, how do we hold the drumsticks? In these lessons, I'm going to be teaching what's called the matched grip, as opposed to what's called the traditional grip, which looks like this. Matched meaning that the grip is the same in both hands. In the traditional grip, if you were a right-hand player, you hold the stick in your left hand this way. If you're a left-handed player, it's this side, like that. Okay, now what about the grip itself? The grip itself is not meant to be a tight grip. You don't grab the drumsticks and hold on as hard as you can. It's meant to be a relaxed grip. So basically what you want, you're going to want about that much of the drumstick in your hand, just like that, okay? And you're going to be basically pinching with your thumb and those two fingers right there, just like that. And you want that stick to do this in your hand. See the way it's just kind of wiggling into my hand like that? See? You want a nice, relaxed grip. That stick has to be able to move in your hand. That's part of the stroke. See that? So basically, you just want a nice, but not too loose now that you're going to be dropping the sticks all over the place. You want to grip it just enough so that you can control the stick. So here's a simple exercise to get you started. Take your drumsticks, one in each hand, get your playing surface, whether it's your drum, your practice pad, a book, or whatever you can find. And don't worry about counting right now or what the note values are right now. You're just going to practice right, left, right, left. Or if you're left-handed, you want to start on the left hand first, left, right, left, right. And you're just going to practice. Now you're going to notice if it's a hard enough surface, the stick will bounce. And you notice that the stick it's like bouncing a ball, right? You're going to bounce and the stick is going to come back up. You don't want to play and hold the stick down like that. We don't want to do that. You want the stick to come back. So just practice that for as long as you can. It doesn't have to be hours. You don't have to do this for 8 hours. If you can find a half an hour a day just to put into this, you will get places. So it's an easy exercise, just right, left, right, left. You want to speed it up a bit? That's fine. Perhaps a little faster. Take it slow, and I know what you're thinking, Al. This is boring. Yes, it's boring. Everything you learn from the start is going to be boring. Doesn't matter if it's electrician, a plumber, guitar player, piano player, whatever. Yes, it's boring, but it's going to pay off in the end. Don't you worry. All right, believe it or not, that's your first step on learning to play the drums. And again, it might sound boring, but when you watch your favorite drummers play, does it look boring after a while? No, it's not. It's going to be a lot of fun. So make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next lesson.